students, I hope you'll be fine and safe. Okay. So in the last lecture we have started 3.3, the last leaf. Page number 67. On page number 67 we have completed first four paragraphs. Okay, on page number 67, the last leaf, we have completed first four paragraphs. In first four paragraphs we learned that there were two friends, Sue and John C. They were living in the New York, poor parts of New York. They were artists, and John C was thin, small and not very strong. She was ill with pneumonia. Okay, and doctor told Sue, her friend, that John C had few chances to live. Okay, she had one chance in 10, and that chance was her want to live. मतलब उसकी जो जीने की इच्छा है वो मतलब उसकी जीने का एक मार्ग है, ऐसा डॉक्टर ने कहा था. एंड इन द लास्ट पैराग्राफ वी लर्न दैट जॉन्सी वाज काउंटिंग समथिंग. जॉन्सी वाज लेइंग ऑन हर बेड and she was looking out of the window and she was counting something in a whispering voice, in a low voice. She was counting again and again. Okay, तो यहाँ तक हमने देखा था. उसके आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. पेज नंबर 67, पैराग्राफ नंबर 5. Sue too looked out of the window, but there was nothing to see, only an old ivy vine, gnarled and decayed at the roots, climbed halfway up the brick wall. So when Sue saw that John C was looking out of the window and she was counting something again and again, Sue also looked out of the window. Okay, Sue too looked out of the window, but there was nothing. There was nothing for counting. There was nothing to see. But only there was old ivy vine. What is ivy vine? Meaning दिया है बाजू में. A strong creeper with green leaves and yellow berries. Ivy vine, a strong creeper with green leaves and yellow berries. That is ivy vine. And what is gnarled? Gnarled, G silent है. Gnarled means here twisted. So there was ivy vine. There was old twisted ivy vine and it was decay. और वो जो ivy vine थी वो decay हो गई थी. It was decay at the roots. Decay मतलब सड़ना. Roots से वो जो creeper थी वो creeper सड़ चुकी थी. Okay? Climb halfway up the brick wall. और जो brick wall थी, brick से जो बनी हुई wall थी, उस वॉल से वो हाफ वे क्लाइम हो चुकी थी, हाफ वे ऊपर आ चुकी थी. द कोल्ड ब्रीथ ऑफ ऑटम हैड टेकन अवे मोस्ट ऑफ द लीव्स. द कोल्ड ब्रीज ऑफ ऑटम सीजन, द कोल्ड ब्रीज ऑफ विंड यू कैन से, और द कोल्ड विंड ऑफ ऑटम सीजन हैड टेकन अवे ऑल द लीव्स ऑफ दैट आइवी वाइन. ओनली द स्केलेटन ब्रांचेस वर लेफ्ट. जो स्केलेटन ब्रांचेस है, जिस ब्रांचेस पर लीव्स आते हैं, उसका एक स्केलेटन, उसका एक स्ट्रक्चर वहां लेफ्ट था, क्लिंगिंग टू द ब्रिक्स. ओके, दैट स्केलेटन, दैट स्ट्रक्चर वाज क्लिंगिंग टू द ब्रिक्स. जो ब्रिक्स से बनी हुई वॉल थी, उस ब्रिक्स से वो जो स्केलेटन था, वो स्केलेटन क्लिंगिंग हो चुका था, मतलब स्टिक हो चुका था. व्हाट इज इट डियर? आस्क्ड Sue. Sue asked John C, "What is it, dear? At what you are looking, dear?" 6, said John C. "They are falling faster now." तो John C ने कहा 6, and they are falling faster. 3 days ago there were almost 100. 3 days ago there were almost 100. Now there were only 6 left. John C said. Okay, page number 67 completed. Now see on page number 68. It made my head ache to count them. John C said, my head is aching. मेरा सर दुख रहा है. उसको काउंट करते करते. But now it is easy. There goes another one. There are only 5 left now. So Johnsy was counting again and again. Okay, and out of the 6, now only there was 5. Okay, there are only 5 left. Means there are only 5 leaves left on that ivy vine. Okay, 5 what, dear? Shiv asked again. Shiv could not understand what she was counting. So उसने पूछा कि 5 what? 5 क्या है? Leaves on the ivy vine. Johnsy replied, when the last one falls, I must go to. Johnsy ने ऐसा सोचा था कि जब लास्ट लीफ गिर जाएगा, लास्ट आखिर का जो पत्ता है वो गिर जाएगा, I must go to. I must go to means I will die. Okay, I will die with the last leaf. I have known that for 3 days. Didn't the doctor tell you? I know means Johnsy had decided from her mind, by her mind. Johnsy ने उसके मन से ही डिसाइड कर लिया था कि जब वो लास्ट लीफ गिर जाएगा तो वो इस दुनिया से चली जाएगी, means she will die. Okay, और उसने पूछा कि didn't the doctor tell you? Oh, I have never heard of such a nonsense, said Shiv. Shiv ने कहा, I have never heard such a kind of nonsense things. What have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? Okay, तुम्हारे रिकवरी से या तुम्हारे getting well से ivy leaves का क्या लेना देना है? And you used to love that wine so. You like that wine. You like that creeper. Okay, don't be silly. Don't talk like a silly. The doctor said that you had excellent chances of getting well. शिव ने उसे कहा कि तुम्हारे अच्छे होने के बहुत सारे चांसेस है, अच्छे चांसेस है, तुम जल्दी अच्छे हो सकती हो. Take some broth now and let me get back to my work. Okay, broth means hot soup. So Shiv gave her hot soup and she said, let her go back to her work. Paragraph completed. Next paragraph. But Johnsy just kept looking out of the window. There goes another. No, I don't want any broth. Okay, तो उसने देखा कि और एक लीफ गिर गया, तो उसने कहा कि I don't want any hot soup now. That leaves just 4. Now there are only 4 leaves left on the creeper. I want to see the last one fall before it's get dark. अंधेरा होने से पहले लास्ट लीफ गिरते हुए मुझे देखना है, क्योंकि मैं भी चली जाने वाली हूँ. Then I will go too. She had decided that she will go with the last leaf. She will die with the last leaf. Johnsy, said Shiv, will you promise me to keep your eyes closed and not look out of the window until I am done working? शिव ने कहा कि promise me that you will keep your eyes closed. You should keep your eyes closed and you will not look out of the window. तुम out of the window नहीं देखोगी until I am done my working. Until I am complete my working. I must hand those drawings in tomorrow. उसे जो drawings निकालना था वो drawings tomorrow तक handover करना था. She said, I must hand over these drawings tomorrow, so don't disturb me and don't look out of the window. I need the light. Okay, I need the light. Otherwise, I would have closed the window. मुझे लाइट की जरूरत है, नहीं तो मैंने विंडो क्लोज करी होती. I don't want you to keep looking at those silly ivy vines. Shiv said. Shiv said that she didn't want Johnsy should keep looking at those silly ivy leaves out of the window. Okay, paragraph completed. Next paragraph. Tell me as soon as you have finished, said Johnsy, closing her eyes, because I want to see the last one fall. So Johnsy said that tell her as soon as the Shiv finished her work. Okay, because she wanted to see the last one fall, and with the last leaf she would go to that she had decided. Try to sleep, said Shiv. I must call Behrman up to be my model for the old man that I am drawing. I will not be gone a minute. शिव ने कहा कि try to sleep, don't look out of the window, और मुझे बेहरमन को कॉल करना है. I must call Behrman. Behrman was the model. वो एक मॉडल था ओल्ड मैन के लिए। तो ओल्ड मैन का ड्राइंग निकालने के लिए बेहरमन को सामने बिठा के उसका ड्राइंग निकालना था। सो शी मस्ट कॉल बेहरमन फॉर द मॉडल फॉर ओल्ड मैन ऑफ द मॉडल फॉर द ओल्ड मैन दैट शी वाज ड्राइंग, एंड शी विल नॉट वेस्ट अ मिनट, वो एक मिनट भी वेस्ट करने वाली नहीं थी। नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, old Behrman was a painter who lived on the ground floor. Who was Behrman? Old Behrman was a painter. He was also a painter and he lived on the ground floor, but he was a failure in art. Failure means unsuccessful. Old Behrman was not successful in art. वो art में successful नहीं था. For 40 years he had wielded the brush and had not made any money. 40 years he had wielded the brush का मीनिंग दिया है। wielded the brush means painted with a flourish. 40 years he had painted with flourish. He had painted so many paintings, so many drawings for 40 years, but still he had not got success in painting. Had not made any money. Behrman had not earned so much money by paintings. Painting से उसने बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं कमाए थे. So he was not successful painter. He had been always about to paint a masterpiece. Behrman was always thinking about to paint a masterpiece. What is masterpiece? Meaning दिया है एकदम नीचे. Masterpiece means a most valuable, outstanding work of art. That was masterpiece. So Behrman was always thinking about to paint masterpiece, means to paint a valuable, outstanding painting from him, but had never yet begun it. He had been thinking about it, but Behrman had never begun to paint his masterpiece. Masterpiece को अभी भी paint करना start नहीं किया था. For several years he had only made a few paintings. Several years Behrman had made only few paintings. He earned a little by serving as a model to the young artists in the colony. Behrman earned a little money, बहुत कम पैसे earn किए थे by serving as a model, by working as a model to the young artists in the colony. कॉलोनी में जो young artists थे उनके लिए मॉडल का काम करके उसने बहुत कम पैसे कमाए थे. Who could not afford other models. The young persons or the young artists who could not afford other models, उनके लिए बेहरमन मॉडल का काम करते थे और he earned little money. He always talked about his coming masterpiece. Coming masterpiece के बारे में वो always बोला करते थे कि I had to paint my masterpiece. I will paint my masterpiece one day and it will be outstanding painting from me, etc., etc. Last paragraph. Sue told Behrman about Johnsey's fancy. So when Behrman came to serve as a model, to work as a model, Sue told him about Johnsey's fancy. What is fancy? Fancy means imagination. So Sue told Behrman about Johnsey's imagination. What was imagination? Imagination was that with the last leaf she would die too. Okay, she had decided that she would die with the last leaf. When the last leaf will fall, she would also die. ऐसा जो उसका फैंसी था, जो उसकी इमेजिनेशन थी, उसके बारे में बेहरमन को बताया. Old Behrman was shocked that anyone could have such idiotic imaginings. बेहरमन ने जब ये सुना, he was shocked, he was surprised that कि किसी का इतना idiotic imagining हो सकता है. Idiotic मतलब idiot, foolish. किसी का imagination इतना foolish हो सकता है. What? He cried. Are there people in the world foolish enough to die because of leaves dropping off from a vine? मतलब किसी creeper से लीव्स ड्रॉप होते हैं तो आदमी मर जाते हैं क्या? इतना मतलब लोग फुलिश है इसको बिलीव करने वाले कि विद द लास्ट लीफ दे विल डाई टू. आर देयर पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड सो मच फुलिश दैट दे बिलीव दैट दे विल डाई विद द लास्ट लीफ? ओके, पेज नंबर 68 completed. Now page number 69. See on page number 69. From Ovine, I have not heard such a thing. I have not heard such a thing. Why did you allow this thought to enter her brain? Okay. So Behrman ने कहा कि I have not heard. He had not heard such a thing. Why did you enter? Why did you allow to enter this thought, this kind of thought into her brain? Okay. कि तुमने ये थॉट उसके ब्रेन में कैसे एंटर होने दिया? ओके, सो यहाँ हम रुकते हैं पेज नंबर 69 पे. 69 हमारा स्टार्ट हो गया है. सो वहाँ मार्क कीजिए, mark that line. First two lines we have completed on page number 69. Okay, and rest of the part of the lesson we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.